Layle with Layle by Mail. In this video, I thought we'd take a look at the spring, early summer Traveler's Notebook Kit. So the Traveler's Notebook Kit for the months of May and June. We will first take a look at what I did with the kit in my Traveler's Notebooks, and then we'll take a look at the contents of the kit. So let's take a quick look at the month of May. So for the month of May, I am using the beautiful kind of throwback collection from my mind's eye called Wild Asparagus. And the Wild Asparagus collection is just such a beautiful collection. The weight of the product, the weight of the paper is just so nice and sturdy. It's just, everything feels so rich. And what I loved about this collection was that it's a really great collection to use as a transition for kind of from spring a little bit into summer, especially with the lemons and a little bit of the fruit. So as part of the live class that we will do when we set up our Traveler's Notebooks, we will be decorating the pockets. We'll make a fun little insert here that tucks in our side pocket. And then we will be decorating both of the inserts with some fun die cuts. All right, so that is the setup that I put together for the month of May. And I have used the gorgeous Champagne Traveler's Notebook. Everything that you're seeing here, the Traveler's Notebooks themselves, as well as the spring, early summer kit, you will find in links to in the description of the video down below. All right, for the June setup, oh my goodness, this is just like such a happy, fun, oh my gosh, bring on summer and bring it on hard collection. This one is the new Sun-Kissed collection from Simple Stories. And as you can see, it is so bright and cheery. It just screams summer, right? Which is definitely what I want in my Traveler's Notebook for summer. So this is the setup for the month of June. I am using the beautiful Coral Traveler's Notebook for my setup. Again, as part of the live video that we'll do for the month of June, we will decorate our pockets, adding lots of foam adhesive to give us a little bit of dimension, and then we will slip cover both of our inserts. Okay, so that's what I've done with the kit for the months of May and June. Now let's take a look at the contents of the kit. So with the Traveler's Notebook project kits, you always have one insert, and that we will be slip covering. And then you should have another insert that you will use to slip cover. So if you don't have two inserts, you can reach out and we can add one of those to your order. We have a popsicle stick with 18 inches each of two different washi tape. So one that coordinates with the product for the month of May, and then the other one for the month of June. This, oh my gosh, so this is a big one. The Wild Asparagus mixed bag, or the die cut. So there are 64 pieces in here, and we don't even come close to using all of these, which I love when I can include something like that. Let's turn that. When I can include something like that in a Traveler's Notebook kit, because it just really goes so far. You can have fun decorating your inserts and then just keep on playing with the rest of the die cuts that we don't use. All right, so let's go to the papers for the month of May. So there are two papers. This super cute one with all the lemons, and then this really great stripe. And then we're using the die cuts to decorate our pockets, and then a few little leftover pieces from those two papers after slip covering to decorate our pockets as well. We have, for the June portion of the kit, the Sun-Kissed. Sunshine got me a little distracted there. The Sun-Kissed 12 by 12 sticker sheet. And oh my goodness, again, the colors, the icons, the artwork, the phrases, I just love everything about that. And then we have 3 sheets of paper from the collection. We have the 3x4s that we will be cutting apart to decorate our inserts, and then also using 2 of those to decorate our slipcovers. And then we have 2 12 by 12 sheets that we are using to slipcover our inserts. This darling one, Shine Bright, with those little suns, they're just so happy. And then who doesn't love a really good, just kind of diagonal stripe? Such a great kind of classic pattern, but the colors in that are just wonderful. All right, friends, so this is the spring, early summer Traveler's Notebook Kit for the months of May and June. This is currently shipping, and I've included everything that you need, all the information as far as ordering, linked in the description of the video down below. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.